Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw an equilateral triangular prism of side 50 mm, base edge and 70 mm long, axis resting on one of its face on HP with its axis perpendicular to VP. So I will draw HPPP first. We need to draw isometric projection. So it is resting on its face. This is a triangular prism. When they say face, that means they are talking about this. And it says it is perpendicular to VP. So the triangle will be kept like this. So this way axis is perpendicular to VP and it is resting on its face. So when you see from the front, you will see triangle. Always remember, whenever they say axis perpendicular to VP, front view will give you true shape. So now we'll start. We'll draw 45, 30 degree and we'll draw isometric scale. Remember to label it well. Now in this case we required 70, so we'll go 0 to 60 and 0 to 10. You write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And this is 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this way we have done isometric scale. Now after that, this is total distance 70 and then we need to mark 50, that is from 0 to 50. Always remember, take the dimensions which are there on 30 degree line. Now we need to draw helping figure. So we need to draw an equilateral triangle of side 50. So we'll take 50, 0 to 50 on 30 degree and we'll cut it on that line. See this. So we got that side. After that, we'll cut arc from both the point. So we'll get triangle. Once you get triangle, you join. So this is how you will get triangle. Then you draw a line from here. Remember, it will be at 30 degree, or you can bisect whatever you feel comfortable to find the center point. And that point will mark O and M. That is for axis. So first thing, we should convert this into a box. See, in the previous few sums we didn't draw a box because it was square, so it was already a box. But now in this case we need to draw a box. So I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4 as a box. And triangle, if you want to name, you can name ABC. That we'll see afterward. So first we will draw 30 degree. Then we'll draw a vertical line. Then I'll take 1 to 2 and I'll cut from here. Now at times what people do, they cut 1 to 4 like this, but they have to remember this because both the sides are not same. So 4 will come here. So this is a mistake. Since they are so used to drawing square, they think that box will be of same length and height. But remember, it is not like that. So we need to take dimensions and we need to draw box. After that, we'll take width. Width is 70. So you take this behind. So we are done with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to mark 70. So I'll take 60 plus 10 and I'll cut from here. Then from here you draw a vertical line and from here you draw like this line like this. So this is how you will get. This is 3. Now we need to mark this point M and N. This is M, this is N. This is C, A, B. You can write triangle name ABC. Now to mark C, what we need to do, we need to take 3 to C. Always remember, you don't go B to C. You take from box, main box point 1, 2, 3, 4. And from C, 3 will cut. So we'll get point C. Then you join. So this is how you will get ABC. And then take this behind. How much you have to take this behind? 70. Yes. So we are done with this triangular prism. Now we need to mark axis. So one more thing we can remember, that axis will come in the straight line, like C divides that line AB into 2 parts. So we can draw that directly, and then we can mark distance N. From bottom we'll cut N. See this, we'll take this distance, and from here we'll cut N. So this is O, and from O we'll draw axis. That is how much long? 70. So best thing is to take dimensions from the box with your compass, and you can mark. So you'll get your axis like this, and you can draw plus. Now we'll do dimensions, as well as we'll show direction of viewing, origin 30 degree, and we'll write isometric projection. So all these things are very important. Make sure that you do proper labeling and show direction of viewing. So I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you. There is one more point which I would like to explain in this, that whenever they say